Hi, I'm Amy, owner of Great Bear Native Plants, and we are teaming up with the Bitterroot Water Forum to help you save water and wildlife at home by adding water-wise native plants to your yard. We are offering pre-packaged water-wise gardens ready for you to pop into your outdoor spaces. Water-wise native plants are gorgeous and they're essential to a healthy environment. Landscaping with native plants is choosing to support a balance of nature that has developed over thousands of years. And with our changing climate and poorly planned development, we're in the midst of a biodiversity and habitat loss crisis. But we all have the power to restore critical wildlife habitat by planting water-wise native plants in our landscapes. This is one of the most rewarding ways to brighten up your yard and your local community. Native plants are essential if we want to keep our pollinators thriving. So who are our pollinators? Animals that move pollen from one flower to another of the same species, allowing for the production of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Many of our plants here in western Montana, like lupin and balsam root, are pollinated by pollinators. In fact, nearly 1/3 of our food crops depend on animal pollination. In Montana, important export crops like lentils, beans, and alfalfa all depend on pollination. And you can't forget our bitterroot apples or flathead cherries. We wouldn't have these favorites without pollinators. By planting water-wise native plants, you're also supporting your Montana farmers. So, who are our pollinators here in the Bitterroot Valley in western Montana? Well, we'll start with European honeybees, which are a species from, Europe. But then we have our native pollinators, social bees such as bumblebees, solitary bees like green sweat bees and leafcutter bees, butterflies and moths, hummingbirds like the calliope and rufous hummingbirds, and then beetles, flies, and wasps play a role as well. Many pollinators, birds, and other animals rely on the nectar, pollen, fruit, and seeds of native plant species to survive. Did you know that many plants used in our landscaping, such as daylilies, lilacs, and popular shade trees, aren't native to North America? The majority of plants you see in yards and in parks originate from Europe or Asia. Unfortunately, these non-native plants support 29 times less animal diversity than natives. Let's take the grass lawn as an example. A traditional grass lawn may only have 1 to 2 plant species with no flowers or surviving grass seeds. So what resources does this leave for wildlife other than blades of grass? It's essentially a food desert and a severely degraded habitat. Meanwhile, a native heavy yard may have upwards of 25 plant species that provide essential food, shelter, and nesting sites for our pollinators and other wildlife. Water-wise native plants are a simple, beautiful way to save water, support wildlife, and connect with your local environment. So get out your trowel and plant native. Our water-wise native plant packs make it easy. We have packs for sunny spots, shady spots, butterfly lovers, and stream or pondside locations. Each pack is loaded with a variety of native plants to attract pollinators and improve your outdoor space. Visit our website to learn more about the benefits of planting water-wise native plants or decide which pack will be best for you.